girl, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today in the lab, I'm going to be doing a testing video of a new brand. I am so excited to let you guys know my thoughts, test this out with you throughout the video. So we are testing the new brand that just launched, Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. If you want to see my thoughts on this makeup brand and the products that I purchased, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It definitely helps me out. And yeah, if you want to see all about this makeup that I have on right now by Rare Beauty, then keep on watching. Guys, I'm so excited about this collection. I cannot wait to dig in. So these are the goodies, but I just picked up items that I knew that I would wear when it comes to picking out products with makeup brands and things like that. I am super excited because I like Selena. I don't see anything wrong with people coming out with brands, and people will continue to come out with brands, and how I feel about that is get your coin, girl. As long as the product is a good product, then we're good. So here are both of those products. The packaging is very, very sleek and chic, so I like that. This is not glass, this is a plastic. I love the little detailing on the handle part. And let's see, this is the packaging for the lipsticks. I picked up the shade that she was wearing in the ad. I thought it was really bright and pretty, and I can't wait to try that. Let's dive into these products. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my skin. I did not pick up a moisturizer from her. I don't think it's a moisturizer. I know that there's a primer, a couple of liquid highlighters and liquid blushes, and I don't typically lean towards those type of finishes when it comes to blush and highlighters like that. So like I said, I picked up things that I would typically wear in a makeup line. The foundation does come in, like, I think it's 40 plus shades, 48. I'll put the exact number on here, as well as the concealers. And for primer, I'm gonna go in with a different primer. I did not pick up that primer because I know I have a lot of primers that possibly do the same thing. So the shade that I got in the liquid is called the Liquid Touch Fondé foundation. I have it in the shade 370N, standing for neutral. And the claims on this foundation is it's a foundation elixir that feels barely there while building coverage and boosting your natural glow. So it's going to be like a glowy type of foundation, and that's what really intrigued me on this line. Also, she's a cute one, you know, cute young girl. Growing woman, I should say. She's a woman now, but when I used to watch her, she was on Wizard of Waverly, and that was the show on Disney. Comment down below if you remember, and I used to watch that show. But yeah, so that is what it's saying about the foundation. The concealer is the same shade, and it's a moisturizing buildable concealer that melts seamlessly into skin for undetectable cake-free coverage, and this is called the Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer. So packaging is an A+ for me off the top. That drew me to it. And also what her brand is standing for is to allow us to be ourselves. Rare Beauty, just be yourself, be your own uniqueness, no matter where you are from, the color of your skin, your sexuality, and all that jazz. Is very inclusive. So that was a plus for me with this brand. But enough of me like going all into it like that. So I was hearing that you have to shake this foundation up. It is definitely liquidy. So it comes with this doe foot applicator. I'm not sure how I feel about this doe foot applicator, because what if it's a day that you're breaking out? You know how sometimes you break out and you just can wash your sponge, but to use this doe foot applicator and place it on your skin and then put it back in here, I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know. You tell me. So if this looks a little deep, don't worry about it. We'll work on it. But the applicator is nice though. It's not like a rough applicator. I just don't know how I feel about putting it in here. I'm gonna use my sponge. It is definitely lightweight as I'm applying it. Y'all, this is looking nice. I'm not even mad. This looks really nice. I do have a little hormonal breakout coming right here and right here. So off the bat, it is not a like full-blown full coverage, but it is a medium coverage, and it does look like you can build it up. I don't think I need to, but for the sake of the video, let's go ahead and just build it up a little bit. And the pricing on this was not bad. Like the foundation, what was the price? My receipt. The foundation was $29. The concealer was $19. And the lip stain was $20. So the pricing for this to be in Sephora is not bad at all. I like this. If you have dry skin, this will be perfect for fall time. A lot of us do tend to get dry skin during the fall. I would say try it out. It is super lightweight. You can build it up. As you can see, now I have like that full coverage look. It is a glowy, radiant look. So that's why I think it's perfect for fall. Perfect if you have dry skin. If you have oily skin, you can still get away with this. It's not cakey. I don't feel like tight or anything. So kudos to Selena for the foundation. Now let's jump into this concealer. You don't have to, there's not a ball in this concealer like the foundation. So I thought the pictures were like just, you know, doing different angles, but the applicator is actually like a bit different. It's like slanted so that you can get in here. One thing I can say about the Rare Beauty line is that it's kind of similar to Fenty when it comes to picking out your shades. So this shade is still 370 in to match the foundation. So the concealer is already a little bit lighter, as you can see. So you don't have to like think too hard about it. But if you want it to go lighter, you can. I like this applicator of this concealer. All right, so now that the concealer is blended out, it definitely smoothly blends in with the foundation. And I could have went a shade lighter because I do like my under eye to be a little bit lighter. But as far as coverage, it's giving me a medium coverage, and I typically like a full coverage concealer. But I'm not mad at it because this is like one of those foundations and concealers that if you wanted to wear it like every day, then you can. But like I mentioned, most of the time I always tell you guys to just let your concealer dry a little bit, and it'll tend to give you a little bit more coverage than if you were to just go in and go ahead and blend it in. So there is not a powder yet in this line. I don't think I know they had a blotting type of powder, but anywho, I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, but I am liking how this looks. For the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with my Sephora powder, the Micro Smooth powder. It definitely mattens down when you use your powder, so don't feel bad if you have oily skin. You're probably like, girl, that is too much for me, but you can get this to mattify now. I'm just gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer and put that all over my eyes. Going in with the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer again, I'm gonna just go ahead and bronze my face. This brand did not have a bronzer. I can't wait to see what Rare Beauty comes out with as far as powders. Now I know that this brand does have liquid highlighters, but I feel like when you have liquid, you have to set everything. Like, listen, I'm all about quick and easy makeup unless it is a serious event. Like all these steps, I just cannot deal. Comment down below if you agree. Like you just want to have a nice Slade look without all these extra steps. Putting on creams and then having to set it with the powder. I cannot deal. I cannot. All right, now I'm gonna pop on some lashes really quick so that we can up this look, and then we're gonna talk about the lipstick, which I'm super excited about. So I'm gonna pop these on and be right back. So lashes are on. Oh girl, that was a little bit of a struggle. It was a little bit of a struggle, but we got it. And you guys see that I have on a little bit of liner today. That product, stay tuned for that. But now let's get into this lip, honey. So this is the Lip Souffle Cream Matte, or Lip Souffle Matte Lip Cream, and it is in the shade Inspire. It's a whipped lip cream that delivers comfortable one-stroke color with a vivid velvety finish. So packaging looks like this, super cute. It has the Rare Beauty symbol on the top of it. I love the way this feels. The packaging, all of it just feels really nice. The doe foot applicator is just a simple flat doe foot applicator. So let's go in with this shade Inspire. Oh wow. She's brighter than I thought. It kind of smells like, I don't know yet. It smells like something. I just can't think of it. It feels nice. It's not drying at all. It's definitely velvety. I don't know how to describe this lip. It's definitely velvety. It's not drying at all. I'm not getting like boom, pow, matte off the break. I'm still working on it. So let's just finish up the face and I'll give you my final thoughts. All right, so I just went ahead and added another layer on the lips, and I can see that it's kind of like crumbling up now, but this reminded me of something. I just can't get it off the tip of my tongue. It is a nice feel. If you're into like lip stains and like moussey texture lip products, then you would like this one. Me personally, I don't know how I feel about it. I love the shade. The color is really, really pretty. Like I said, the packaging is cute. Do you need it if you're not into like moussey consistencies? No. The foundation and concealer, girl, you should try it. Definitely try it. My skin still feels lightweight after putting on my powder, my bronzer, my highlighter, all this other stuff. I still feel lightweight on the skin. And yeah, so far I like these two products. Comment down below if you tried the Rare Beauty products just yet. But I think you guys should try some of the products. Whatever product that you think fits in your beauty collection, give it a try. I'm not mad at it. I give 2 thumbs up to the concealer and the foundation, which is why that was the 2 main products I wanted to purchase from the collection. So you just have to be mindful of what it is that you actually need from certain brand collections and things like that. Whatever. So not to draw this exit out, but I like these products. I will say that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down below on the new brand that just dropped, Rare Beauty. Let me know your thoughts if you're trying it. What do you think about this look? And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.